She won't see this coming. Let's go!
Sige lang, Lisa. Are you sure this is a good idea? Baka mapagalitan pa na tayo nito ah.
Come on! It's just a small prank. Plus, wala namang mangyayaring masama.
Oo nga, chill ka lang bro. We're doing this for you naman. At notice na parang malungkot ka these past few days dahil abala ka sa grado mo.
And we decided to listen up and let Mom taste her own medicine.
Ano? May mababago bang gawin na dito?
Oh, she'll think na hatid as kung dito may multo. Kaya, alis siya.
Multo?
Pangilinan, tumahimik nga kayo.
Sorry, not sorry, ma'am.
Jack! Anong ginawa mo? This is getting too far.
Relax, Ethan. She's not dead. Plus, she deserves it naman.
Are you kidding me? Wala nang sa plano ah. We might get expelled.
No one's gonna get expelled if no one tells. Kaya pwede ba, Ethan? Tumahimik ka na lang.
Heis, ang KJ mo talaga. I didn't even hit her that hard. Ang OA mo talaga.
Guys, are you sure she's not dead? Parang hindi na siya huminga.
Ano to, guys? Ito sa bad idea, guys. Wala akong ginalaman dito.
Kala ko mahina lang yung pagpalo mo.
I thought I could move on. Pero, kinuhin nila siya sa akin. Ngayon, they'll have to pay for what they've done.
Huwag kang kabahan ha. Mabait naman sila. Alright class, so we have a new student joining us today. Please make her feel welcome as this is her first day.
Hi everyone, I'm Alia Reyes, pero you can call me Leah for short.
Thanks. Maupo ka na doon. Alright class, that's all for today. Please do some further research regarding this topic dahil magkakaroon tayo ng sumating bukas. And also, I'll be collecting your assignments later after class. Is it clear? Yes! You may go now. Yes!
Hindi ka pala mo dahil.
Tayo na yan, chicken toppings.
Uy! Tara, G! Nakakulak ba? Or may something talaga sa new student natin?
Ano pangalan nun?
Iya at...
Uy, boss. Ano, type mo? Talo ka ba?
Hi! Ako nga pala yung transfer student. If you don't mind, can I join you guys? Sure. Really? Thank you!
Jack, bilhan mo ko banana chips. Yung may cheese ha.
Uy! Ako din. Isa chicken toppings din.
Wow, so ako na ba yung waiter of the day? Sige na nga. Sige, bago tayo classmate. I let it slide.
Sus, iya ka pa. Libre mo lang din.
Sige na nga.
Tara, I don't want to be late. Our school is pretty strict with cleanliness. Pia, if you don't mind, pwede ikaw na lang mag-inis ng harap.
Oh, sure. Magaling naman ako maglinis eh.
Okay, thanks so much. Antonio, ang talino at ang kapis ka ng Liga.
Oo nga. Mo siya kasi nawala na sa kanila.
Ay, kawawa naman ng bata. Tapo na nga sila hindi nakikita. Gusto mo, ketchup na lang.
Oo nga eh. Kaya I'm doing my best para bigay sa kanya lahat.
Nabis ka talaga, sir.
Good afternoon, teachers. Mabuhay. Sige po, sir. Ito na po yung mga assignments namin.
Oo nga pala. Thank you.
May connection pala sa niya.
Uy, Clara! Saan si Toad?
Dun sa kanina.
Guys, hostel tayo. Ang kulit ko kasi umuwi eh.
Tara, G! Tara!
Oy, Lia! Gusto mo sumama?
Talaga? Sure! I'd love to go.
Lia! Lapit na pala birthday ko. Magpapapapart ako. Yung anak mo.
Talaga? Sure! Kailan?
This Saturday. G?
Sige, G!
Bigat naman ang bag ko. Kaya na to, ang bag lang. Lia, head figure ka talaga. Pwedeng pag-ipit lang din ang bag ko. Ang bigat na kasi.
Sure!
Thanks, Lia. Uy! Lia, ako din.
Don't worry, hindi naman ito mabigat.
Yeah, how about me?
How about mine?
Lisa, wait!
Pathetic mo talaga.
Pathetic? Excuse me?
Ang obvious naman eh. People pleaser ka.
Yeah, what do you call yourself then? Pareho lang naman kayo. You're no different.
Pareho kayo? What do you mean by that?
Troublemakers. A bunch of bullies. That's what I mean.
Ah, so nagpa-plastic ka lang pala talaga. Eh, ang obvious eh.
Why do you even hang out with them? Para kasing napipilitan ka every time kasama mo sila. Don't tell me
ka dahil may bago.
Hindi ah. May napansin lang ako. Mali sa kanya. Also, may nalaman din ako.
And that is?
Naku pala sa Mr. Marcos.
Ah! Kaya pala. But that's great. If we get close to her, may upper hand na tayo kay sir. Who knows? He might even get on his good side na if we show our good budget nila.
Ano? Get close to her? Are you serious?
Of course, you heard me. Kailangan magustuhan tayo ni Lia.
Alright,
We can't do that if hindi ka magko-cooperate, Clara.
or fine. Guys, I can't believe I'm doing this naman.
Don't you get it? This is the most simplest way para hindi tayo bumagsak sa subject ni sir.
May point ka naman.
Let's start one. Very effective.
Grabe talaga. Tita, naubusan ako. Ilan alas ko na mga ako doon?
Where would I?
Sige na, pretty please. Yun, thanks tol. Diba, thanks?
Wait! Parang nakawala yung pro earrings ko!
Ano na ba yan?
Sus, nandito na yan sa somewhere sa pool.
Are you serious? That was expensive! Saan
Gamit.
ba yun?
Anong nangyari? Bakit buwak?
Wait! Saan si Lisa? Teka! Ano yan? Putang ina!
Almost done. Just one more source.
Nasaan na ba yun? It's been an hour. Ikaw ba yan? If this is some joke, hindi ako natatawa ah. I swear to God, kapag nahanap kita, I will...
Gwen, takot na takot ka siguro ngayon. Next time, huwag kang mangasar. Gwen? 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 Oh my God, Gwen! Gwen! This wasn't supposed to happen. Gwen! I didn't mean to. Leave me alone, please. Leah, what are you doing? Please, it wasn't my fault. Huwag mo tong gawin. It's happening to everyone, isn't it? First Lisa, then Clara, now Minja, now Gwen.
Accidents happen in that.
Mababalaghang aksidente na kinasamputan sa St. Clair High School. Kabilang sa mga biktima ay sina Lisa Sanchez, Jock Navera, Gwen Santos, Tom Valdez at Lara Villar.
Pinaghihinalaan ng mga otoridad ang posibilidad ng foul play ngunit wala pang naaaresto. Iniulat ng mga mamamayan ang kakaibang mga aktibidad sa paligid.
Kinuha nila siya sa atin, Leah. Kailangan mong maging matatag. Kailangan nilang pagbayaran ang lahat.
Every choice I've made, every step I've taken, para to sa kanya.
Ikaw yung may gawa, di ba?
May gawa ng ano?
Lisa, Jack, Gwen, Tom, Clara. Lahat sila. Ikaw yung anak ni Miss Reyes. Naaalala ko na.
They killed her, son! They deserve what they got!
You're wrong. It wasn't us. It was him.
Guys, are you sure she's not dead? Parang hindi na siya huminga.
Mari!
Ano yun? Kala ko ba tayo na mag-isa dito ngayon?
Mari! Alas ka lang ba?
Guys, let's run. Now!
Mari! Mari! Ayos ka lang ba? Mari! 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 You rejected me. Ang sakit nun, Mari. After everything. Minahal kita ng buo. Buong buo!
Hindi! That's not true! You're lying!
Yun ang nangyari, Leah. Believe me, you cannot trust that man.
How do I know that you're telling the truth? Kasama ka naman sa prank nila, di ba? We just sat there and watched her die!
Leah, ay.
students gave me the opportunity I needed. They locked her in, unconscious, alone, vulnerable. Hindi ko sinasadyang patayin siya. I was drunk and got carried away. I'm so sorry, Marie. Hindi ko na alam ang gagawin. Aampunin ko ang anak niya upang hindi nila ako paghihinalaan. Si Leah, mabait siyang bata, maganda at matalino, kagaya ng kanyang ina. Leah, I'm home.
Sinungaling ka. Pinaniwala mo kung pinatay nila ang aking ina.
Leah, anong pinagsasabi mo?
Pinatay mo siya kasi hindi mo kaya tanggapin na tinanggihan ka. Tapos ngayon gagamitin mo ako para linisin ang kalat mo?
Leah, kumalma ka. Please, I'll explain to you everything. And it's not what you think.
Mukha mo lahat sa akin. Ang buhay ko, ang nanay ko. Tapos ngayon, hindi ko nabatid kung sino ako.
Leah, it doesn't have to be like this. And I told you, it wasn't me.
Ginawa mo kong ganito. Remember?
Leah, put that down.
Leah? Ikaw ba yan? Can we talk? Leah! Ano nangyari?
Right. It was him. All this time. It was him.
It's over now, Leah. Tama na. Malaya ka na. You don't have to run.
It's not over, Ethan. I killed him. I can't undo what I've done.
Leah, you can still heal. We got this. Nandito lang ako.
Wala akong karapatan maging malaya, Ethan. You deserve to live. I'm sorry for dragging you into this mess.
Leah. Leah!
Man, ikaw ba talaga yan? Anak, revenge won't heal you. It will only darken your heart. Pangako, huwag mong hayaan ang sarili mong magpadala sa galit at galit. Nay! Huwag mo! Nay! Huwag mo akong iwan! Nay!
You need to forgive yourself, anak. The past is gone. Find peace at patawarin mo si Ethan.
Ethan? Patawarin? But why?
On that day, I was overwhelmed with guilt, for I have thought I have ended the life of my darling Marie. All this time, akala ko ako yung nagpatay. Hindi pala. Isang bata, a student of mine, Ethan Garcia, ended it all.
Panginoon, bakit mo pinayagang mangyari ang lahat na to? Siya ang pumatay sa akin. Sa nanay ko. Siya! Bakit, Lord? Bakit kaya minahal ko siya dahilan ng lahat ng sakit na to? Hindi ko na kaya. Hindi ko na kaya. Sobrang sakit. I can't stay. Not like this.
Leah?
Mari? Tingnan kita ng buo. Buong buo! Sinsya na, ma'am. Wala akong gawin to!
Anak, kumain ka na. Anak, ano nangyari sa'yo? Ayos ka lang ba? Anak, ano nangyari sa'yo? Anak, ayos ka lang ba? Take this and all your problems will go away. It's not your fault, anak.
I killed her.